guys, welcome you all to the code world. I hope you all are fine. So in this video we are going to see how to print a J pattern. J pattern will look like this. Let's start. So let's take a round of how to print this J pattern. So we have first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seven. Total 7 rows, and first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eight rows, 8 columns. Okay, so let's start. For row in range of for row in the range of set in 7, and for column for col in range of 8. Okay, so now our condition will be like, if I equal for if a row equals to 0. Okay, if this is 0, this is our first row, so print our pattern. Or row is greater than row is less than 6, because if row will be less than 6 only, then read. If row is less than 6 and j equals to 4. Okay, so or another one is like, or not j, it is column, not j. Okay, and now if column equals to 3 and row equals to 6, means this last row. Okay, then print column. Okay, then or column equals to 2 and row equals to 6. Okay, then print. If this condition is true, then print star, then end. Okay, if a column is false, then else print space using end. Okay, and at last print like this. Just run this. Hope we will find the J pattern correctly. Let's try. So yes, perfectly we are finding our J pattern. So hope you like this video and learn how to print a J pattern. If any doubt is there, please comment in the comment box. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.